Ever wonder what really lurks in the deepest, darkest parts of our oceans? We think we know so much about our planet, but the truth is, the abyss is a world of its own, hiding secrets we can't even imagine. Recently, a deep-sea submersible was exploring a region thousands of feet below the surface, a place where sunlight has never reached. Its mission was simple: collect data on geothermal vents. But what its cameras captured was anything but simple. In the pitch-black, absolute silence of the deep, something moved. The high-powered lights of the submersible cut through the darkness, illuminating a scene that wasn't supposed to be possible. It wasn't a school of fish, or a giant squid, or any of the strange, but familiar, creatures we've come to expect in the deep. This was something else entirely. The initial footage was grainy, just a flicker of movement at the edge of the camera's range. But it didn't flee from the sudden, blinding light. Instead, it moved closer. On board the research vessel, the control room went silent. The team watched, mesmerized and confused, as the form drifted into full view. Its size was staggering, easily dwarfing the submersible itself. But it was the creature's shape that truly baffled the scientists. It had no discernible head, no fins, no features that matched any known phylum or species in our biological records. It was a living, moving entity that defied every rule of life as we know it. Its body seemed to pulse with a soft, internal light, a bioluminescence that shifted in slow, rhythmic patterns. What was most unsettling was its behavior. It didn't react with the panic of an animal caught off guard. It moved with a slow, deliberate grace, circling the submersible as if it were curious, as if it were studying the machine that had invaded its realm. The scientists watching felt a chill run down their spines. This wasn't instinct, it felt like intelligence. The way it maneuvered, the way it seemed to observe the camera lens, it was as if it was aware it was being watched, and it was watching back. The team replayed the footage over and over. They enhanced it, analyzed every pixel, and consulted with marine biologists around the world. The verdict was unanimous. No one had ever seen anything like it. Theories flew around the room. Was it a new species? A bizarre colonial organism like a siphonophore, but on a scale never before imagined? Or was it something that our science simply has no framework for? The patterns of its internal light didn't seem random. Some analysts even suggested they might be a form of communication, a language of light in the eternal darkness. Think about it. We've explored more of the surface of the moon than we have our own ocean floors. The pressure down there is immense, enough to crush a tank. The temperature is near freezing. We've always assumed that life under such extreme conditions would be simple, microbial, or at best, small and resilient. But this footage challenges everything. It suggests that not only can life exist down there, but it can be massive, complex, and potentially intelligent. What else is hiding in those crushing depths? The creature eventually drifted away, disappearing back into the black from which it came, leaving the research team with more questions than answers. The official report remains inconclusive. The footage is classified by the research institution as an unidentified biological phenomenon, but for those who saw it, it was a terrifying and humbling reminder. We are just scratching the surface of our own world. The ocean isn't just an empty expanse of water, it's a hidden universe. And this brief, chilling encounter proves one thing for sure: the deepest parts of our ocean are hiding secrets that we are not even close to being ready for. What do you think they saw down there? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoy exploring the unknown, make sure to subscribe for more.